What's up guys, thank you. So Meizu is making the Note 9 official on March 6, but the phone already leaked in hands-on photos in Chinese websites. The Meizu Note 9 on the back gets the glass treatment which gives off a much more premium look than a metal back panel which was found on the previous generation Meizu Note 8. The Meizu Note 9 features a 6.2-inch water drop notch display, Qualcomm Snapdragon 675, 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. The edge of the Note 9 is made of glossy plastic, same as the Redmi Note 7. It features a 48 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual camera setup. The Meizu Note 9 also gets a speaker grill at the bottom, 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C port. With the price of $254, Meizu Note 9 will be competing against Redmi Note 7 Pro. There is no more information available on the specifications of the Meizu Note 9. The official launch is in 6 days when we will hear more on pricing and availability. What do you think of the new Meizu Note 9? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.